it's Nikki again with Homegrown School. Today I have Avley with me and she is going to unbox the Learning Crate with my guidance. Please remember, if you like this review or other reviews I do, to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. So we're going to go ahead and unbox the Learning Crate. She got this for Christmas this last year. They've been getting some really cool educational tools. It's kind of fun if you don't know exactly what you're looking for, to get a subscription box. My husband calls them loot boxes, but I love these things. I think they're fun and I get things I wouldn't even think I needed. So, so I took our address sticker off, but it comes with the Learning Crate sticker, and then it's kind of cool. Can you see that? It has who it belongs to. So this belongs to Avley, and then on the bottom it has kind of a fun sticker too. So it's kind of neat. It's not as neat as some of the other boxes you get, but we don't normally save the boxes. So anyway, let's get started. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, they got to see it first. Oh, this is how it comes. It says thank you, and then it gives you some information on the back. And then let's go ahead and see. So the first book that we've got is a chapter book. So when we subscribed, I just recently changed it to 3rd grade level because she's moving into 3rd grade. And then it also asks you questions like, what is your child into? What's their favorite color? Like, you can also select if you want things for like art, math, history, reading, anything. And so we put she was interested in sharks and gymnastics, and that we wanted kind of all of the subjects covered. And again, we just switched it to 3rd grade. The unfortunate thing is you can't go back and readjust the interests. I've emailed them and stuff, and they haven't quite got back to me how I can do that. So, okay, so this is a chapter book.
It's called There Are No Wrong Answers.
So cool. And then the back is quick blurb. It says, it's a quiz book, but don't panic. Unlike pop quizzes in school, there are no wrong answers here. So, oh, look. Kind of cute. So it looks like it's kind of fun. It asks a question and then they answer it, and then they can look on the other side for the answer. That looks fun. That'll be fun to play with. Okay, next book that we got. Oh, you always get a bookmark. So this one's cool. What is it?
So this is Neptune.
Well, it's the planets, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool. And the other side has the Earth and stuff. So you always get a cool bookmark for your
it's
books.
really cool.
What's this one? Ooh, that looks fun.
Journey's World Resources.
Guinness's World Record book. So that's kind of cool. This has like all the world records and stuff. On the back, it has the price. It says it was $7.25. So that's a good deal because we pay, I think, about $30 for this box a month. So then here's this book. Ooh, another chapter book. We like chapter books. So this one is called, this was like a quiz book. So this is an actual chapter book. Wonderville by Wendy McClure. And this says, we live in Wanderville. Adventures is our home. We ran away from a moving train. We live without parents or other adults. So it kind of sounds like Boxcar Children, maybe.
That's what
we called ourselves citizens of Wanderville. All children in need of freedom were accepted. So anyway, yeah, that looks fun. Open it, see if it's... So it's just...
Ooh,
it's got pretty decent print. That's about third grade reading level.
I like that.
I think, yeah, that's awesome. Ooh, this one looks fun. So they always kind of send some fun stuff too. So this is 2 books to share and compare. One for me and one for you. So
I think...
Oh, does it break in half? No.
Hopefully not.
Maybe it slides out. Oh, it slides out. So it looks like... So it slides out of the plastic. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. And so it says you on it. And then, let's see what's inside. What is it? This book is for your friend. Ask them to write their names at the top of each page, then see how your responses compare. So, like, it looks like when you have, like, a friend over for a slumber party or whatever, they can write, but it would stay at your house, but they can write some stuff. So it could be a different friend each time because there's a different spot. And then, let's see, this book, I bet. Oh, and so this book has the same... Oh, that's kind of fun. So they always have kind of a fun. So that's fun. So this book is hers, and then when she has a friend over, she gives it to them, and they write the answers and see if they match. Cool. Okay. have erasers. Normally they put a pencil in here. Did you see a pencil in there?
No.
So normally there's a pencil. There's these two cute little
Strawberry
erasers. So there's that one.
And then
And that's a strawberry.
A
cherry. So hold it like this because sometimes that helps. Okay. And so those are kind of fun, cute little erasers. And they do erase. I was actually surprised the first time I thought, oh, that's kind of a junk thing. But normally there's a pencil. There wasn't one in this one. So this is neat. Spell across
America.
That's cool because we always need help with our spelling. So hold it. Let's show. So there's a picture. So I'll read. So it says, the bee-vetted, fully illustrated, located base stories in Spell Across America take readers to Washington, D.C. and beyond to a variety of exciting U.S. parks, cities, and landmarks, making this the perfect book to share on road trips, buses, trains, and planes, or at home. It has trivia facts and spelling and all sorts of cool stuff that's based on. That'll be fun to explore. So, so this book is marked U.S. $17.99. So I'm just going to do a quick add up on the ones that have prices. So, and then this one is $10.99, so like $11. So that's, say, about $34. So we've almost paid for the box at that point. And then this one, I don't see a price on it.
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, it's right here. You won't close it.
It's right here.
So this one's marked at, nope, that's just the bar tag. So this one's marked at $16.99, so that puts us over that $39 price range. And then $5.99. I think I said this was $7.25. That was the Canadian price. So the U.S. price is $5.99, and then this last one does not. Oh, U.S. is $7.99. So well over that $30. I think this one's $30 or $30.99, but it's well over that. Either one. So that's a pretty good deal, and then you get your cool little bookmark, which is probably like $1, and then your little. Those are maybe quarter. I don't know.
You're probably
so definitely way over. Kind of fun. Are you excited to explore these?
Oh yes.
Yeah, it's worth it. And like I said, it's kind of fun because these are things that I might not know about or think, and then we enjoyed them a lot. Last month we got a scratchbook that I would have never bought, and when I saw it, I actually thought, that's a junker. It probably won't. She's been using it a ton and learning a ton, so
it's fun.
I just like it. It gives me ideas. So anyway, do you think we should keep subscribing to this box? Yeah. Okay, well that's it. That's a wrap, guys. Again, if you like this channel, please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.